Okay, today we are going to start social science classics. Okay, civics chapter 4. Okay, key elements of a democratic government. Okay, so in last class we have learned about the need to resolve a conflict. Okay, we have started, so today we are going to start from here. Religious procession and the celebration can sometimes lead to conflict. Okay, sometimes religion process like celebration, they can be lead to conflict. Okay, so even the root procession can take place, even the conflict also. So the government, particularly the police, okay, particularly police, during if there is any conflict, the police play an important role. Okay, so they try to bring the solution, and they have to arrive to the spot, and they have to bring the solution. Okay, that is the work of the solution, so that there may not occur any fears and violence, okay, in that particular area, like throwing of stone, like disturbing the other people, like that. Okay, so that is the responsibility of police, not to have any violence in to bring in that particular area. Okay, even the river, okay, can have conflict between two states. Okay, so here they are here we have a problem. Okay, so even a river may begin in one state and flow through what another and end in the third. Suppose if a river is starting from one state and flowing in a another state and end in another state. Okay, when that type of problem is having, then they may face a lot of problem. Okay, so let us take one conflict, the sharing of rivers. Okay, the sharing of river water between different states, that the river goes through its coming and issue conflict. Okay, suppose when the river, okay, when one river is flowing in a different state, okay, during that times they have a lot of conflict. For, for example, okay, Kaveri rivers, okay, Kaveri waters, okay, they are having dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the water stored in an Krishna Sagar Dam in Karnataka, okay, used for irrigation and number of district, okay, for meeting the needs of city of Bangalore. Okay, in Karnataka they are building a dam, that is Krishna Sagar in Karnataka. Okay, uh, in Kaveri rivers. Okay, this is what, and this is used for irrigation, okay, in a number of districts, and to provide water in the Bangalore cities. And another dam, okay, which is built in Tamil Nadu, that is called Meteor Dam. Okay, so that dam built in Tamil Nadu is what used to provide for crops grown in a delta region of that Tamil Nadu states. Okay, so that's why they are having problems. Okay, the conflict arises, so that's why they have a conflict. Both dams are on the same river, that means the dam is building in a same river. Okay, so the downstream dam in Tamil Nadu, that means in Tamil Nadu, dam can get water only when water is released from the Karnataka dam. Okay, that means Karnataka dam is located in the upstream. Okay, upstream, and Tamil Nadu dam is located in downstream. Okay, when Karnataka dam, okay, that is located in upstream, when they have provide water, only then that Tamil Nadu dam can get waters. Okay, so that's why they are facing a problem. Okay, so that's why that's why both of the state can get much water as they need for the people in their state, so that's why they are sharing, so they can get much water. Okay, so this lead to conflict, so that's why they are facing a conflict. Okay, the central government has to take step in and see a fair distribution is work both of that is the responsibility of the central government to what to provide the solution for these two steps, okay, or two dam. Okay, this was, okay, quite flow of the Kaveri, despite between at least at the center of heated conflict between two states for the last 30 years. That means that conflict, okay, the central government try to solve, okay, that problem. It's take more than 30 years, okay. That means they are having conflict, okay. Suppose the resolution may not happy with one state or another state, so that's why. And next is what? Equality and justice, okay. One of the key idea of the democratic government is, okay, commitment to equality and justice. Equality and justice are inseparable. And another one is what? Equality and justice. These are two what? Commitment to this one, okay, government. So they are not in they are not separable, okay. They cannot be separate. In Maya story, did the government support the idea of the people are equal? So we can discuss it in class. So Maya story, the government support the idea that the people are equal. The government are supporting or what? No, okay. So that's why they are protesting. So they are doing at last what happened in 1994, they got democratic now. So in Ambedkar story, did the practice of untouchability support the idea of the people are equal? That means even the Dr. Ambedkar, they are did mean in this story we have learned that the untouchabilities, okay. So that's why the untouchability have been abolished and they try to bring equal uh, to all the people, okay. The earlier practice of untouchability is now banned by law. That means untouchability is what? It is banned by our constitution, okay. It is banned by law. This group of people were denied education, transport or medical facility and even the chance to offer prayer, okay. So in suppose during untouchability time, okay, they are not allowed to go to school, okay, or transport or medical facility. They cannot be shared. Even in a temple they are not allowed, okay. Suppose if they are Hindus, okay, they are belongs to untouchability group, they are not allowed to enter in that temple also, okay. Dr. Ambedkar, whom you have read about earlier in this book, okay, and many other like him realized that such practice not continue and that just can only be achieved when people are treated equality. That means Dr. Ambedkar, okay, we have read in the earlier book also what happened. So they are doing against, okay, they mean they want all the people should be equal, they should not be treated differently, okay. So they are belongs to lower class, their lower class system have to be banned and all people have to be treated, only then that the people or one country can be developed, okay, like that. The government also recognize this and make special provision for the group of people which within society are unequal. That means the government are taking very initiative, okay, for this poor and untouchability groups, okay, like that. The reservation for ST, SC, like that, okay, the government is providing, okay. Why they are providing? To bring equal with other communities, okay. For instance, in our society there is a general tendency to value and care for boys child and more than girls child. That means in even today what happened, when the boy child are born, what happened, the parents are very happy. When girl child is born, then what happened, the parents are not happy. That means the boys are taking more initiative than girl now. If in a society only girl is there, only boys is there, then they will get problem. They should be equal, okay. So this means that the society does not value the girl and the boys equally, and this is unjust. That means the boys and girls should be treated equally, okay. We should not give more emphasis towards the boys or the girls, okay. In this context, the government step to promote justice by providing special provision that can enable girls to overcome injustice and they are subjected to. In ancient time, what happened, the girls are not allowed to go to school, only boys, okay. So to abolish that one, the government are giving more initiative, okay, for girls to provide more education. The girls are providing free education, like they are giving more important, okay. Suppose they are giving reservation in every systems, okay, in every sectors, okay. So thus it is responsibility that the fee for girls might be waived or lower in government school or college, like that. The government have to be what take many initiative. That means like to lower school fee, okay, something like that, okay, or free education like that, okay. How do you think lowering the school fee will help the girls attend school? Suppose we can see that if we lower our school fee, especially for girls, it will help to attend more girls in the school. This will help. Okay, that is also one questionable. Okay, that means we have to give. Okay, uh, know their parents, okay, what is the importance of girls. That means we should provide the ideas, okay, what is the importance of girls, okay, what is the main role in the society, like that we have to give, okay. How do you think lowering the school fee, okay, so can you think any experience from your life in which you have helped someone out the situation which you throw out was unfair? Did everyone else see in the same way? Why did you have to say the convince other that what you did was fair? Okay, suppose if you experience something, that means suppose the girls are torturing like that, something, okay, that is good or what, unfair or what, why? Suppose in co-education, if a boy used to beat hardly, okay, suppose in a real life example, okay, in in a school, what happened, the sometimes the student are asking, why sir, girls are not beating boys, only boys are beating, okay. So the teacher have to teach, okay, both boys and girls equally, okay. So when that means they should get equal punishment, okay. If they are girls, they should be get equal punishment, okay. So if there is doing anything wrong for girls, then what happened, they are not getting less punishment, and if boys is doing, then they are getting more punishment. That is not fair, okay, that is not fair. So we have to give equal, okay, so that the girls can think that they are equal with boys, okay. If we are giving less punishment to girls, okay, if they are creating same problem, then they should get equal punishment, okay. So the both boys and girls, they should think that they are equal, okay, like that. Any incident, if you remember, you can share it, okay. That's all for today, okay. We have completed chapter number 4, okay. That is what key elements of a democratic government, okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.